Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to use your Amazon speaker as a Bluetooth speaker. Currently we're connected to Wi-Fi, but if you want to use it as Bluetooth, first turn on your device and plug it into electricity. Next, open the Amazon app, go to the Devices tab, select your speaker, and click the settings icon. Then go to Bluetooth devices. Click right here to pair a new device. On your iPhone or Android, go to Bluetooth settings. Click to pair a new device and pick your Echo speaker. Accept the pairing. Once paired, next time just say, "Connect my phone." As you can hear, we are connected. That's how you can use this speaker with your phone and other devices via Bluetooth. That's all for this video. If you found this helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.